Madam, I stand to oppose the bill for various reasons,
Yes.
which I list out right now. Madam, is Aadhaar mandatory because the Justice A.P. Shah Committee of Experts on Privacy recommended that the bill should specify whether the individual right to opt in or opt out, providing their Aadhaar number, and a service should not be denied to individuals. The UIDAI said that this is voluntary, but if you read section 7, it makes Aadhaar mandatory. I want the Honourable Minister to please enlighten me. Section 7 says that if anyone does not have an Aadhaar card, he says it will be offered alternate and viable means. What does viable mean? Viable to you or viable to me? The third point, Madam, UIDAI has suggested that construction and mining workers should be put in the list of exceptions. You have not done, and you have made Aadhaar a compulsory for them. What is the definition of, rightly pointed by Congress member, what is the definition of national security? It is a very subjective understanding which the government can use it against anyone. Clause 32(1), Madam, and 54(w), time period for maintaining authentication records. Yes. This will be completely misused for activities or profiling individual behavior. Section 33(1) permits disclosure of demographic information, that too by a district judge. But no such order shall be made without giving an opportunity of hearing to UIDAI, but not to the person whose data is being disclosed. I will not be given an opportunity. Section 33(2) can be misused and will lead to continuous surveillance without any notification to the user, even after surveillance ceases, violating one of necessary and proportionate principles on communication surveillance. Madam, this bill lacks provision of giving notice to a person in case of breach of information, in case of third party, use of data or change in purpose of data, which were among provisions recommended by Justice Shah Committee on Privacy. Now, if there is a breach, Madam, the provisions are so weak that the complaint against disclosure will go to an educatory authority who can be an IT secretary in the state who have no knowledge of law. No courts are there, no infrastructure is there. Let me give a classic example. The appellate cyber tribunal has not been made operational in last 3 years. Civil remedies offered are mere illusionary. Madam, if I want to correct my record, my name or my caste, see section 31. I can only request the UID authority, and that too he has to be satisfied, in inverted commas. It is again very subjective. No penalty on the authority if it fails to respond. Bill does not provide for a user to even to be able to approach the court to ask for their information, and that in Aadhaar card should be corrected. Madam, renewal of request for disclosure. Data will be revised by an oversight committee, cabinet secretary. The earlier was very good. It had nominees of the Prime Minister, the nominees of leader opposition, and 3 nominees of Union Cabinet. That would have been a much tighter control. Madam, let me give a classic example. We celebrated Women's Day. The Supreme Court had said allowed dance bars in Mumbai. And the Supreme Court also said that people who patronize dance bars, their right to privacy will be protected. It is amazing. People who patronize dance bars, their privacy is protected. But what about this? What about the Indians? What about people who are outside, who don't go to dance bars? We should have brought a bill in this parliament saying this is right to privacy, and right to privacy is fundamental right. We have left it to the Supreme Court. Madam, as John Locke rightly said, the end of law is not, I'm concluding, Madam, the end of law is not to abolish or restrain, but to preserve and enlarge freedom. Madam, last week we came to know that our public sector banks have written off 1.4 lakh crores of loans to corporates. What we are giving subsidies are crumbs to the poorest of the poor. But we are worried about leakage. How would you stop the leakage of this corporate loot? Lastly, Madam, clause 7, it authorizes the central and state government to make a conditionality for any person to undergo Aadhaar authentication for availing a service. Madam, this would be used to file an FIR. I'll have to go to Aadhaar authentication. To go to AIMS Safdarjung Hospital, Aadhaar authentication. That is why, Madam, I am of the opinion that this has lot of problems in this bill. This should be referred to the standing committee. We are midwifing a police state. You mark my words, we are midwifing a police state. That is why I stand to oppose it, Madam. Thank you.
लश्कर-ए-तोयबा ने 4 लोगों ने मिलकर, जिसमें इशरत जहां भी थी, उन्होंने गुजरात के बड़े नेता को खत्म करने का प्रयास किया। उसी मकसद के साथ गुजरात में आई।